Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage your reservation in the Avelo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the change/cancel button. And as you can see, in order to manage your reservation, you need to provide your confirmation number as well as your last name. And if you have both of them, just click on the submit button to manage reservations online. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.